Kristen Playbound, and today we are going to be doing Play-Doh. So let's go ahead and get on to the show. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to switch these Play-Dohs up in one of these, and then he's going to close your eyes. Go ahead and close your eyes and pick one out. You picked blue. So what are you going to make with this blue Play-Doh?
An egg.
An egg?
Yes.
Well, okay, let's go. Not really cheating, but okay. Wait, pause. Get that out of your nose. Okay, so you want me to make an egg?
Yep.
Okay, so egg. Okay, so here's a part of my egg, and I don't have enough Play-Doh to make the other parts, so here's the part of my egg. Here's my egg.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so
Might have been the best egg I've ever seen.
Well, okay, so I'm gonna put back this
Even
Play-Doh.
the doggy thinks that egg sucks.
Okay, so close your eyes. Wait, no, not yet. Okay, close your eyes, pick one. Put that on the table. What do you want to make with this wet Play-Doh?
Fire.
Fire? Okay, like little pieces of fire?
Yeah, the fire sparks up.
Okay. Here's a piece of fire. And then here's the other piece of fire.
Lily, watch out.
He's like, oh, okay. Here's another piece of fire. Here's a little bitty piece of fire.
Wow. You're an artist.
No, not really. Here's the other piece. Here's the other piece. Here's the other piece. And here's another piece. Well, this is how my Play-Doh turned out. I'm gonna put this up. Close your eyes again. Pick one out of one of these.
How about you close your eyes?
Okay.
I get to make it.
Here, you mix them all up. You want me to pick? I picked red. So I want you to make, let's see, this donut.
Okay.
Make the donut. So make the donut.
Is there anything I can use? I need this.
You can use any of these materials right over there. What do you have in your mouth? What do you have?
That's good enough. There you go.
Whoa, this is a good donut. Look what he made, guys. Do you think it's good, right? Yeah, you do. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this on the side because that's one of the goodest ones. Well, now you want to make one, or do you want me to make one?
I'm gonna make one more.
Okay. So okay, so let me put this one right here. Okay, so you could mix them up while I cook mine.
There.
Blue, I got blue, so I want.
Didn't we already use blue?
The only color that I don't think we used was yellow. So since this is the last one we're gonna use yellow. So what do you want me to make? I want you to make the sign.
Okay.
A 3D sign.
3D?
Yeah.
You can't make 3D, Sinclair.
Just kidding. Okay, just make a regular sign.
What the heck? She's trying to make me do 3D. Sinclair.
Shh.
You're not even recording 3D, son. It's supposed to be 3D. Stop recording the dog.
I have to look on YouTube.
This is the best song I've ever seen.
I like how it's blue, like those blue lines, like blue
This is on
swavy lines.
YouTube.
I like how those blue swavy lines on the sign, cause it's like the part of the sky's covering the sun up.
No. That's not how it works. There's my son.
Whoa! Okay,
Yay.
that was
That was good.
yep. Okay,
Great.
well that's a
You
good
suck at
sign.
cameraman.
That's a good sign.
Okay, don't worry, guys. I'm gonna be the cameraman now.
Well, I'm gonna put all this stuff up. Well, I think this one was the best one. What we made today.
Y'all tell us in the comments.
Yeah, tell us in the comments which one was the goodest one.
Which
Well,
one was the best?
to my opinion, this one was the best one.
Me too, because I made it.
Well, Lily's best. It was probably this one, cause she was Smith in this one all the whole time while it was in the unicorn.
That's Lily right there.
Unicorn. silicone little bucket. So we'll see you on next video. Bye!